Hey folks, Ryan Feroz Moto here, back with another video, and today I have a special treat. Christopher Bravo, baby! Yo. Today we're looking at his project car, current car of the month, the week, whatever you have it. It is a what?
E30.
Well, what year, what model?
87, 325. Just, that's it.
So it's a 87, 325, 2.7 liter motor. Right now the interior is all gutted out. We are doing some drastic surgery. Got a new dash, new interior, a bunch of things that are going to be going into the car. As you see here, we got a bunch of that carpet that we helped rip out. But right now we do have a mystery leak in the car. We're not sure where it's coming from, but with us doing some trial and error, we're trying to clean up the spot and have it set up where we can do an experiment to see where exactly it is being dripped onto. So Chris is here making some room right now with the excess carpet around the tunnel here by the heater core. But regardless, we have some work to do, as you guys can see. So that being said, Chris is going to start vacuuming. I'm going to help out on the side and just make sure that we can start cleaning this up so we can get it ready to test out where the heck this car is leaking. I'll see you guys soon in a bit. So Chris right now is showing me how the AC system works here for this car. Want to give it a quick rundown again?
Yeah, so any air that goes through will be routed through these vents from the dash. And then this will go underneath the carpet. And then the carpet has a little slit where these pop out.
Yep.
And that's what's going to hit your feet on the passenger side and the back. So if you guys ever want to know,
yeah,
that's how it looks like.
Awesome.
Kind of cool.
Thanks, Chris.
Yep.
Single, by the way.
Oh, there we go.
There we go. There we go. So yeah, it's just some more parts that we have in the back of the car here. As you saw, the interior is completely gutted, but there are some big plans coming for this guy up ahead. As we all know, E30s are one of the best looking and timeless models of the BMW lineup, as it is our forefather of the 3 Series. But what is the intentions and idea of the build, Chris? What are you trying to look for here?
Fuck do I know? Probably a daily car, and then maybe go into track mode after that.
Yeah, that's what we like to hear. Yeah. We like tracking. Yeah
Tracking sedans be funny, but it is
no, it's actually safer because they have these pillars here. The coupes aren't as structurally stiff, so
talking about safety, this is a tin can.
Second you're hitting something, you're gonna be thankful you have this pillar here, so it does add up. But yeah, we're excited to see. He showed me some photos of his inspiration for the car, what he's looking for, and overall I think it's gonna look really cool once it's all said and done. But obviously we have a lot of work ahead of us, so I'm gonna try my best to help out as I can, help document the process, because I think this is gonna be truly a really awesome build. But back to the work. We just finished vacuuming some of the car. Interior is way cleaner, so we have a good look at what we're going to be looking at for that leak. So we're going to start hunting. See you guys then. All right, folks. Since the car is all vacuumed and dried, we're going to use these wire brushes to agitate and scratch up all that leftover rust that's on the floor. The plan obviously is going to be spraying that with a fresh coat of paint to help protect it from future rust issues, and just want to get rid of all that you know, leftover residual stuff that's not eaten completely through the chassis here. So we do have a little bit of work to do in the seat in the bottom. It's going to be rough to see how that is with my current ND filter on the thing, but overall it should be fine. Going to take the proper steps and making sure we're not inhaling all those fumes, of course, and we're gonna just get to it. So gonna be scrubbing away. Let you guys know soon. Alrighty, so Chris is using the sanding gun right now. Has a bunch of bristles that's spinning immediately, and we're just chewing up all that top layer of rust. So definitely doing the trick. I tried using with the hand brush already, and you know, my hand's getting tired, so it's definitely the way to do it. But I'll show you guys what it looks like once it's done. All right, folks, as we see here, Chris already did a number on the rust here. Unfortunately, we do notice that we have one rust hole right there, but that is part of the course and part of the game that we play. Ain't that right, boys?
Yes, womp womp.
Womp womp. But we're going to keep going. Chris is going to work on the other side, and he's just been using some spray 9 to kind of agitate and pick up all that loose dust as well with the vacuum. So overall, we're making some good progress. Going to have to work on removing the sound deadening too eventually someday, but it's baby steps, right?
Yeah,
baby steps. So we'll get through it, but just some more updates and progress on this bad boy. It's gonna look good. All right, guys, that is about wrap for tonight's work. We got the passenger side done all scraped up and sprayed, and actually looks really good. We're going to be cleaning up
Yeah.
soon enough, but let's see if this can focus and get some look.
Kind of
But
like what they use on the...
we do have the driver's side to go, and then the rest is history. So as I said, Chris is going to be ordering some fresh carpet to put in there, because currently it is disgusting, like so gross, rusty and nasty. So once that's figured out, we'll slap it in, put in the new interior that he got and everything, and the car's gonna look really nice. Inside will be good. Big issue we're gonna have to deal with is the heater core on the car. He currently does not have heat in the thing, so he has all the new parts. We're going to try to help out if we can, put those in, and I'll try my best to document that process. But overall, we have some good stepping stones, some good progress to keep going. I'm excited to see where this guy goes along. So, Chris, anything you want to say to the viewers?
Tune in next time. We got a lot to go on. Hopefully, I got this ready by today's what, February 13?
Yeah.
We got 2 months, like 58 days until April
11th. Yep,
so.
our day at Watkins Glen is April 11th. You guys know I will be recording some content there, but the goal is to have the E30 go to
If this isn't there, I'm gonna do something to myself. Physical harm.
Cut that out. Cut that out. All right, guys. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Stay awesome.